Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by force closing Cookie Run Kingdom and rebooting your device. This clears temporary lockups and background leaks. Once done, check storage and RAM. Make sure you have at least 200 megabytes free because low memory causes freezes. Next, verify your account login and the game's server status, since outages mimic loading failures. If you see a login loop, try a different network to separate local issues from server problems. This first block removes the simplest hidden blockers fast. You now address the middle layer, app integrity and networking. Clear the app cache first because corrupted temporary files often stop startup. If problems persist, clear data only after ensuring your account is linked to avoid loss. Then update the app from the official store or reinstall it. This restores missing files and fixes corrupted binaries. Make sure to test another network, switch Wi-Fi to mobile data, or change DNS to 8 since network routing and DNS can block game servers. Finish by eliminating device-level blockers and preparing a fallback. Update your device OS and GPU drivers because compatibility patches often unlock startup. Then disable battery saver, performance caps, or restrictive permissions and grant background network access so the game can initialize. If it still won't open, collect logs or screenshots and contact support with your device model, OS version, and app build. Make sure to mention steps already tried. One key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.